drowning incident along the Kwamuswi River that is cuts through the Kasikeu, that is Sultan Hamud Road in Makueni County, has risen to 9 after residents pulled out more bodies from the river. Makueni Deputy Governor Lucy Mulili told reporters at Sultan Hamud Sub-County Hospital rescuers had rescued about 14 people. And as Paul Kirobi tells us, victims have narrated their ordeal moments before the lorry capsized inside the river.
Family members of those who perished in the Friday accident where a lorry was swept away by raging flood waters along the Kwamuswi River that cuts through the Kasikeu Sultan Hamud Road in Makueni County thronged the mortuary for the better part of Saturday as the process of body identification got underway. Residents who were rescued from the ordeal have narrated their painful story moments before the lorry was swept away by moving waters. Despite the pain of losing their loved ones, they still have hope some of them will be found.
Si calculate tairi ya kwanza ndio imeingia, na ikiwa si mti tungetumbukizwa hapo sisi sote, na yeye hivi na dilikuwa wa nyumbani. Haya, nilipoteza huyu mwingine Raymond sababu ni kijana wa nyumbani na ni fundi pia.
Naona mto, kamwambia naona umefungiwa na mto, kaniambia ndio, kamwambia usifuke. Ilikuwa saa 6 mpaka nikaenda kwa shamba kutafutia ng'ombe. Niliporudi nikiwa huko kwa shamba nikasikia nduru.
However, there is still much fear that there could be more people who drowned into the water, and there is still little hope if they will be found alive. Makueni Deputy Governor Lucy Mulili has urged residents to be vigilant and not to cross flooded areas.
Hofu ya kwamba kuna watu zaidi ambao inashukiwa ya kwamba walibebwa na maji lakini hawajapatikana.
Bereaved families have urged the government to construct roads in order to avoid such instances to occur in the near future. Kenya Red Cross team and other responders said 14 people were rescued from the water. The 14 were part of a group of people who were inside the lorry when the tragedy happened on Friday afternoon. Paul Kirobi, TV 47.